Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cabinet roller in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a 3/8 socket wrench and a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new cabinet roller. This cabinet roller is installed at the bottom front side of the refrigerator. The rollers, there are 4 total, allows the fridge to be easily rolled in and out. If the fridge doesn't roll anymore or there is a loud squeaking sound, it's time to check the cabinet roller and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. We'll need to lift up this side of the fridge, so we need to support it. I'm going to use that wooden block and tilt that fridge on the side. Slowly slide that wooden block underneath. And we can slowly put it down. And now we can remove this cabinet roller. So we need to remove these 4 3/8 bolts. I'm using a socket wrench. And I'm going to take them out one by one, turning it counterclockwise. This is the old cabinet roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And install a new cabinet roller and secure it with the 4 3/8 of an inch bolts. Then I'm going to use the 3/8 socket wrench. So you can retract that leveling leg, and as far as you need to, you can adjust it after we lower down the fridge. And there's a 1/4 inch size nut on the top, so you can use a 1/4 inch wrench, and you can adjust the leg. You can put it down or pull it up. We can lift up on the fridge, remove the wooden block, place the fridge down on the floor, and at this point we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.